day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Trey Lambert and I'm here with my teammates. We are students of St James Seminary Senior High. We are here to present our project, the Urban Garden, for Stemnnovation 2023. The world is developing rapidly, and the rate at which new infrastructures are built is so high that there is limited space for crop cultivation in urban areas. My team and I noticed this problem and we decided to find a solution to it. So we built a vertical crop harvesting system and a raised bed system. The vertical crop harvesting system is simply a structure that holds crops in sections, as you can see over here. The vertical crop harvesting system covers a relatively less space compared to the raised bed system, which is similar to the normal traditional method of crop production. The vertical crop cultivation system was built using bamboos in the actual system, and this is our prototype. The raised bed system was added because it can take deep root crops, and the vertical crop harvesting cultivation system can only take shallow rooted crops like cabbage and lettuce. And the raised bed system can also take deep root crops like pepper. The vertical crop harvesting system is our focused project or our focus point here, since it saves space or it can use limited space to produce more crops. For example, the space that 9 crops covers in our elevated or our raised bed system here can be used to cultivate over 27 crops using the vertical crop cultivation system.
Might ask, what makes our project special? We developed an IoT system which is powered by a renewable energy source known as solar. Our IoT system involves our soil moisture sensor, an Arduino board, a relay, and then our pump, which is located inside the water tank. Our sensor sends current throughout the soil and then reads the resistance. These values are then sent to our Arduino board and processed. We have set a threshold. If the values fall below our threshold, our relay is activated, which in turn activates our water pump, which starts the irrigation process. And if after some time the values go above our threshold, the irrigation system is deactivated, which in turn stops the watering. Again, we have an LCD screen which displays the information of the farm. It displays the soil moisture content and then the activation state of our pump. Again, in the future, we would like to develop an application which allows an individual to wirelessly communicate with their farm. This involves reading the values on the farm and also switching on or off your irrigation system. Thank you.
One may ask, what are the importance of this project? Since this project was made out of indigenous materials, it has made it cost effective that everyone can afford. Again, the availability of food in our house will reduce the rate at which we will travel food over long distances, which will consequently reduce the emission of CO2 into our atmosphere. This product will also contribute highly to the green revolution, giving us good quality air. Again, this project will beautify our environment whilst producing us with food, and it would also reduce food wastage. Since you grow your own groceries in your house, you take the amount you can consume rather than going to the market and buying it in bulk, where your food you bring to the house will go waste. With all these importance stated, I call upon you and investors to adapt this method of farming. Thank you.